I think we can turn these into noisemakers using the liquid nitrogen. Just check this out. Some water. Thought it was gonna blow up on me. Okay. All right. Can't stop. I can't. Just make it stop. I don't know why. I don't know why that's funny. But it is. Well, I guess you could say I'm just easily entertained. But here's how I came up with this project. I had some tubing left over from the propane fireball cannon project and figured I should put some of it to use. We've all seen these at birthday parties or New Year's. Check them out. And look, this fits perfectly inside of there. So here's why we're going to need the liquid nitrogen. As it starts to heat up, it's going to turn into a gas, it's going to take up more space, and it's going to build up pressure in the bottle. Okay. You know how we do it on Beals Science. I can never be satisfied with just something simple. So I found this thing at the dollar store. It's a little pump-up air horn thing. And then I had these large plastic test tubes laying around and figured, what we can do here. So I made a little contraption that will allow the liquid nitrogen to do all the hard work. I burned a little hole in the top so that it'll be big enough to fit our air horn. See here? And then I want to make sure to remove the top out of that. And I'm going to affix it with a little bit of glue inside the cap from my super fancy test tube. There we go. This will secure right back onto the test tube. I can put the air horn back on the top. And when I fill it with liquid nitrogen, I have no idea if this is going to work. In with the liquid nitrogen. That's boiling. On with the top. You ready? That's delightfully annoying. Woo! Nice! Oh my gosh. Covered in ice. Look at this. Look at this. Formed ice crystals. Wow. And thanks again for watching. As always, come on over to BealsScience.com and check out more.